Many students who are new to Matlab or new to coding in general are often confused about when to use a for loop and when to use a while loop. And it is confusing because there are some cases where it doesn't matter. You can use both. They both work equally well. And then it's just a matter of personal preference. And there are other situations where a for loop is appropriate and a while loop is not, and vice versa. Okay, so again, I hope that I have provided a good, thorough, easy to understand explanation with examples in this course. But first of all, I cannot teach the best for everyone. Different people learn in different ways. But secondly, I'm also using this as an illustration of another way that you can use ChatGPT to help you understand MATLAB and be a better MATLAB coder. So here's the prompt. Can you explain the difference between a for loop and a while loop? And I think we don't even need to keep saying in MATLAB. ChatGPT will understand from the local context, which is all of this chat that we've been having here. We're only talking about MATLAB. So I think ChatGPT will figure out that we just want a MATLAB explanation. Describe when I should use each one and provide an example for each type of loop. Very nice. So we get a nice long explanation about for loops, and ChatGPT is explaining what is the point of for loops, that you iterate a specific number of times. And we get an example. It's a simple toy example, of course. And then ChatGPT is explaining, we know that we want to run through this loop exactly 5 times, and versus a while loop continues as long as a certain condition is true. And that you use when you don't know how many times the loop needs to be run. And here we get another simple toy example. Now, in this case, with doubling numbers, there is an analytic solution. So you would be able to know exactly how many times it would take until you get, you double and you exceed 50. But this is still a nice toy example that I think nicely explains the difference between a for loop and a while loop, and we get a summary statement here.